Okay, this is the KNS 4524 ball bonder. We have a chessman here to move your stage. You have a heated work stage here set at 150 C, and it uses a vacuum hold down. You can see there's a small vacuum port here. This line is for it's attached to a vacuum pump. You slide your work over the hole. Press down. We're set up to do semi-automatic bonding, so I'll do a couple of bonds here now. Alright, here's where we got our 2-inch spool of gold wire. Gold wire is here on the spool. It's fed through the glass feed tube here. Through the tube down underneath the tensioner. There's a little glass slide there in place. Through the kicker, down through the clamp, drag clamp, and then the wire clamp in here. Fed through the capillary. And this here's your EFO one that creates the sparks to create the ball. Now here, I just want to explain this setup here. Alright, this is an option here, and the reason for this is to allow you to do search 1, 2, loop, and tail using your right hand, while positioning with your left and looking into the microscope, so you can adjust the search as you move. The same is true with the loop and the tail. So as you're looking through the microscope, you can adjust here. The settings here on this side, the left side, are no longer active because of the options, so these have no effect at all. That would be your loop, tail, search 1 and 2. They have no effect at all. While we're here, I'll show you we have a test button. You can see that your ultrasonic generator is on and in tune. You have a clamp open and close. That's your wire clamp. You can see that's moving. It also opens the drag clamp. It's this clamp here. Your light on and off. Now here are your bond settings. You got power, time, and force. The upper row is for channel 1 or bond 1, and your lower settings, power, time, and force, are for bond 2. On the right here you see we have a your temperature controller for your workstage set at 150. You can turn the motor on and off. You can do a manual spark, NEFO, which is negative electronic flame off. You can turn that off if necessary. And here's an indicator of whether or not the ball was formed correctly. It's either short or open. No light means the ball was formed. And you have a ball size adjustment. And then you can switch to manual Z mode, and we'll use this lever here to bring the bond head down to create a bond. I'll do a couple of manual bonds now. See as I bring the lever down, the head follows. And this is for manual bonding if you want to come out of semi-automatic mode. Use the chessman and reposition the second bond. So now I'm doing a couple of manual bonds. We have it at the lowest magnification in the microscope, and I just want to tell you how much it will increase. The full mag, that's the low end. High end. What I'll do is a couple of manual bonds here. You can see the EFO1 come across and create the ball.